Title: Gold, the precious metal of elegance. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gold. Gold is a precious metal known for its lustrous, yellow appearance and high value. It's a term that signifies luxury, wealth, and timeless beauty. Pronunciation: pronouncing gold is simple, gold, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, gold has been used for centuries to craft exquisite jewelry and adornments, symbolizing opulence and refinement. Importance: gold holds immense cultural and economic significance worldwide. As a symbol of prosperity, a store of value, and a material for creating beautiful, enduring objects. Conclusion: in summary, gold is a word that represents the allure of elegance, wealth, and craftsmanship. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, cherish the timeless beauty and value of gold in our world.